Eyes of the Forest. It's like a little game where you sneak around as a mouse. Wait for Russell. Hey, Russell, I need you to... Oh, my goodness. It's not going to happen. Is that Russell? Hey, buddy, you're looking good.
That totem ain't gonna find itself.
I'm ready.
Yeah, coming.
Alrighty, let's go. Trying to sprint, but it's not working.
Bud.
I know how to climb, Russell.
Buddy, I've been climbing for years. You can...
Not everyone's got big old claws like mine.
Oh, your claws aren't even that big. If my claws were that big, we'll climb that mountain one full grasp.
Hey, Russell.
Yeah!
Back again.
Look at that, loser. You can't go under that. Dude, I like Russell. He's cool.
Wow.
The town.
Look at all that. You know,
Oh, wow.
guys like us used to live here.
It looks so dead. Are you sure it's around here?
I hope so. We've sure been looking for a while, huh?
A nice little town. I wonder what happened to everybody. Can I, like, look around? Oh, nothing in there. Little shovel. Little well. Oh, my goodness, dude. Motion blur. Motion, not... Yeah, motion blur is getting to me.
Why would they make something like that?
Well, when you think you've got everything figured out, you tend to want to show it.
That was a statue of the goat. Oh, it was a rabbit. A rabbit with... What is that? A bone? Weapon of choice. He was boning him.
What happened to these houses?
Well, we call them hunters for a reason.
What? What the fuck is that?
Stop. Stay down.
What's that?
What the fuck was that?
I think it's gone, bud.
Holy shit. I think it was massive.
Well, never a boring day, huh?
Nah.
Guess so. Hope we finally find it.
If my notes are right, it should be close.
What are we looking for? Last I checked, the Krabby Patty secret formula was
Please be quiet.
underwater.
We found the totem thistle. Huh. I can't believe it.
Nice.
Kind of dirty.
Well,
You shut your fucking mouth. That looks beautiful.
All right. Can we leave now?
Why are you so scared?
yeah. Let's get out of here.
Are we turning around? Oh, no, not at all. We're going deep. This isn't the way we came from, Russell.
I'll be honest, bud. After so many duds, I was starting to get worried. We better be careful not to lose this
So we're going to lose it. You saying that confirms we're going to lose it.
thistle. This little trinket can save our people. I'll show you when we get home.
Get up there. What is that thing?
Whoa, another hunter. We'll be all right, bud. Just
Where is it?
light on your paws now.
I think I lost. I think I lost. It found me instantly. Oh, shit.
Come on, bud. Over here.
How the fuck didn't it see me? It went red. Russell, bro, are you sure?
Hide behind this, bud.
Shit, 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 shit. Damn, Russell's a pro at this shit. Oh,
I can't quite figure it out,
nice.
bud. You go on, I'll go this way. These big claws will climb anything.
All right, sounds good.
Can I come with you?
I don't know if you can climb that, bud.
I could climb that easily.
Safe. Trust me.
Oh, okay.
Stay alert, and I'll find you later. I always do.
Alrighty, sounds good, Russell. Are you sure you can climb that? Well, I don't want to go down there. Okay.
Whoa!
Is there something here? Swamp. Got little drawings. Nice. What is this place? This place is dope.
Russell would have liked to see this.
Am I going the right way? Place is sick. I like these little drawings.
So cold out here.
Oh, you're all right. You got a little cowl on. Ooh.
Hope Russell's close.
Going through like a little underground town. Can I grab the axe? I think it might be smart to pick up the axe. You feel nervous, you're scared, you're alone, and there's an axe in a tree. There's another one. Something's telling me you want one of these. No? Okay. Pickaxe even? No? Okay. The fuck is that thing? That's a hunter? Okay, we gotta wait right here. Can't see me. And once its vision crosses, I think I'm safe right here even. That thing's fucking gnarly. Oh yeah, we're good. Fuck, 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 fuck! Oh, I gotta go over there? How the fuck do I make that? Now? Whew. Okay, now wait for it to go back over top of me, I think, right? Okay, come back, come back, come back. Now. Clean. Okay, then once it comes back over top of me, I can just sprint by. Green. Oh, he's gonna be able to see through that little hole. Yup. W snipe. Okay, then we just run back here. Oh, we're home free. Psh. These hunters ain't shit. These hunters ain't shit. Look at me walk right past that motherfucker. He ain't even know a thing. Damn, walk down here. Oh, hey Russell.
Bud,
You good?
Russell! Thank the stars. Those things are.
Yo.
What happened?
oh, it's nothing to worry about, bud. I'll hold together.
Yo, what the fuck they do to you, Russell?
Those things are really scary, but I think I'm okay.
Damn it. You ran into another one? Where are they all coming from?
They not normally here?
Usually this awake?
No. No, they're not.
Ah, someone tells me that's not good. Russell, you don't gotta lie to me, man. You beat one of their asses, didn't you? Engaged in the old fisticuffs. Yeah, you gave him the old 1-2. The old what for, buddy? You absolutely smoked one of them, huh? Used them big claws, gave him a big old scratch right across the face. You should have hit me with the, you see me, you should have seen the other guy. 'Cause I know you absolutely fucked him up, Russ.
I never really thought I'd ever get that close to a hunter. Those eyes.
Yeah, it wasn't that bad.
So sorry, bud. It was a mistake for me to bring you.
Ah, we're fine, Russ.
Don't say that. I'm perfectly fine. And we found the totem too.
Exactly.
I know.
W Thistle.
You're doing great, bud. I just didn't think it was gonna be this bad.
Ain't nothing bad.
Just a little scattered. Honestly, it really wasn't that bad.
Thistle, I made a promise to your folks that I'd get you home safe. And now we've seen more hunters than I have in years.
And you murked one.
By them, Russell. You don't have to worry about me so much.
I'm always gonna worry about you, bud.
Oh, thanks, Russ.
You might be right. Here, it's about time I gave you this. You might be needing it.
What you giving me, Russ?
No way.
Give it a test run, bud.
What you giving me, Russ? He gave me a gun. Oh, a slingshot. Nice. Think. Oh, that's got some power behind it. I might just go no scope one of the hunters. They ain't ready for me. Can I fire without scoping in? No. Lame. Am I supposed to like fire at these things? No. What are these things? Little cats.
Stump.
I do too, bud. Don't worry.
What's the stump? Is the stump where we started? Oh, we gotta crawl sideways.
Are you sure your leg is okay? You're limping.
I'll
I guess. That didn't look like climbing very much. Looked as if you were engaging with activities with the wall. Not what I would call climbing. Oh, it's a hunter.
Winds. Another one. I'm not sure if I can get across there without being seen, Thistle.
You could climb across that branch, can't you?
Can I shoot with a slingshot?
Claws and all, right?
I reckon so.
I'll go the other way. I can signal you, and you can move ahead.
Are you sure, bud? You could get grabbed.
Ain't nothing grabbing me.
I'll be fine, Russell. I can do this.
Okay, bud. You might be able to use the slingshot to distract them, too. They're sensitive to sound.
Bro, I'm about to dome him. I missed. There we go. That's dead on. Yeah! Yeah, how you like that shit, buddy? Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck, it found me. I take it did not like it very much. Damn. Those things are freaky. Am I gonna wait for him to cross back? I didn't realize I had no chest. Climb up now. Sprint across. Under. I'm assuming his blue light's gonna crash by. There it is. Oh, man. Fuck! Okay, we're good. What do you mean? Why are we signaling Russell there? That doesn't feel like a very safe time to move. Oh, I fell. All right. Got last checkpoint's right here. We're clean. We're green. Okay, follow. I don't like this. Drop, sprint. Oh, yeah, buddy. You don't know what the fuck's hitting you right now. Sprint. Signal Russ. Oh my God, Russ is moving. When's that blue light gonna come by? I already know he's looking. Does it come back? No, he goes under. Okay, we're chilling. Fuck, we're taking too long. Yo. Woo! How did he see me? How did he see me? Holy shit. I forgot to signal to Russ. I'm pressing E. Hey, big Russ. I don't got signal to him. He's right here.
Good work, bud. You did great.
Yeah.
But I don't get it. Why are they leaving?
All I can think of is the totem. This all started when we grabbed it.
Damn, they're trying to rob us?
Looking for it?
Hey, bro. That's mine. You stay away. It's my purse. I don't know you.
Don't seem like I can fit in there, bud. Guess I should have cut down on those
Bruh.
cinnamon rolls after all.
That's like, you could fit down there.
Please let me come with you. I don't think you should be alone out there.
Oh, don't worry yourself over me, bud. I've seen it all. You've done so well out here.
Russell's gonna die.
I am so proud of you.
Yeah.
Take that totem and get yourself back to the boat.
Yeah, he's gonna die.
Okay. Find me later?
I always do.
Sure, bud. I always do.
Yeah, he's dead. He's so dead. Did you give me the totem? Sir, I need the totem. Oh, he gave it to me. Alrighty, Russ. See ya. Don't die. The gully. So I'm assuming there's gonna be more of those hunters. Why can I not sprint? I don't like not being able to sprint. What if something comes up on me? Oh, there's one. Where all can it see? Okay, it's looking down there. Okay, where all can it see? Oh, right in front of me. Okay, sweet, sweet, sweet. I don't need to aim. Oh, this motherfucker ain't shit. Look at that. And now we're green to move. Yep, 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 yep. Green. Shit! Oh, that was close. Oh, fuck. You ain't see me, bitch. Once he gets past there, I gotta sprint for it. Yo, how the fuck do you see me? Okay. Now he's past. Oh, I'm so cooked. Holy shit. How did he not kill me? Where am I going? Is this green? Oh, yeah, that's good. What the fuck? How did he not spot me? Is there another one? I just saw blue light. Oh, there's another one. Oh, I just gotta sprint across there. Oh, what? That's gross. Oh, that's so gross. Okay, so how does he move? He's gonna come around this way. Once he passes by me, I'm safe. Okay, wait for him to cross over again. Once his light goes there, we're good. We gotta be quick with it, though. Oh, we gotta be so quick with it! Okay, we're green to just run this. Holy shit. There's about to be another one, isn't there? Where is it? Oh, sick, a boat.
Russell?
Yeah, Russell's not coming, buddy.
Are you out there, Russell?
Yeah, Russell's not coming, buddy. Get on the boat.
Is that you, Russell?
Get on the boat. I'm gonna need you to get on the boat. I'm gonna need you to get on the boat. I'm sorry, man. Russell didn't make it. You could tell in his tone of voice he didn't have it in him. I hate to leave you, Big Russ, but you served us well. Man. Russell, what a great guy. He wouldn't want us to escape with the totem. Wow, that game was fantastic. Well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later.